Jai Hind everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you about my SSB experience at 22 SSB Bhopal. Friends, in this video, I will be covering only the screening part because this video will become so lengthy if I will cover all the SSB experience in just a single go. So I will cover all the parts one by one. So in this video, I will be only dealing with the screening part. What picture was shown to me, what story I had written, how I participated in my group discussion, and how I cleared my screening process. So friends, basically when we go to the SSB, the basic thing which we commit mistakes is that we become very rigid. We become rigid in our thoughts, in our actions, as well as in our body posture. So my first advice would be to be relaxed, calm, and think positively, be very normal during the picture perception and description test. Be genuine. So this is the simple technique through which you can clear this screening process with very ease. If you are genuine in the stories, you are going to narrate it well, as well as it would be very easy for you to remember whatever you have written in your story. Basically what happens, when we write this story, we try to become very social. We try to become means what we are not. So basically when we are going to narrate that story, it becomes difficult for us to remember all those things which we have written, and we stuck during our narration. So it hampers our performance over there, and basically we got screened out. So what is my suggestion is, write simple stories, give some actions to them, the genuine actions which we do, and narrate it well. The second part in the discussion part is be relaxed. First of all, try to listen and speak constructively. Means add 1 or 2 points, but add to the growth of the group. Means you have to make a common story, so add positive things, as add those points which are going to contribute in making a common story. Don't speak just for the purpose of speaking. Means many candidates, what they do is they make the fish market. They don't allow others to speak, as well as don't speak any important or good points. So it hampers their performance and they got rejected. So basic thing is, be very normal, be very calm, composed, as well as whenever you are adding a point, don't repeat the points which had been already covered, because it wastes the time of the group. Add something important and which is leading to constructing a good common story. So basically I will be telling you that what picture was shown to me and what story I had written and I got screened in. Basically friends, during my SSB at 22 SSB, I was shown a picture in which there was one poor man. His age is around 50 years and he was begging, and two young people were looking at him empathetically. Means I perceived it in that manner, and as perception is different for every individual, because every individual is unique, so others have perceived it differently, but I have perceived in the same manner as I have written. Okay, so what story I have written is that Atul was a student of Banaras Hindu University, and after his semester examination, he decided to go for a visit to Sarnath to see the monasteries, stupas and museum. He was very excited and he conveyed his plans to his roommate, and they both went to Sarnath on Sunday morning. Once reaching, while they were purchasing the tickets, Atul saw a poor guy in unhealthy condition begging. He turned empathetic towards him and decided to give him some money. He also talked to his friend and they contributed 100 rupees to help him get a meal and medicine. He advised him to work in nearby craft and sculpture making center open for the locals, and Atul and his friends enjoyed a lot after that, and they were mesmerized by seeing the old artifacts, pillars and sculptures. They returned back with good memories and resumed their studies. After a few months, when they again visited that place, they saw that the man was working and it gave them happiness. So this was my story, and I think that I have seen that whenever I go to certain places like temples or monasteries, I have seen poor people begging over there, children begging over there. So that when I saw that beggar in the picture, just a small story just hit it to my mind, and I had written that. So I think we should write genuine stories. And friends, in the group discussion, I have contributed only 2 points. That basically all people in my group, all the candidates have different stories, but something was related to, means they all have perceived that there was a poor man, and two people are engaged with that poor man. So basically I took that point, and I had spoken that, friends, basically we all have perceived that there is a poor individual and two people are trying to help him out. So we should take this as our theme, that two individuals are helping a poor guy. So one time I have said this, and the second time I have said that, friends, basically whenever we go to any of the tourist places, we find that children or the poor people used to beg over there. So we can add this point also. I have said only 2 times. I listened to every candidate, and I contributed genuinely. Means these 2 points I think that I had spoken. And after, when the result came, means one more point, there is a chance when you will be asked that who will narrate the common story. So friends, I was not that person who had narrated the common story, though he also got selected. But it is not that you have to speak that common story. Okay, whoever have spoken good in your group, you can say or nominate him that he has spoken good, he had some valid points, or if he had spoken for the group, and he had added all the points in his story, or in the end, if he had summed up all the things, he should be given a chance. So you can nominate whosoever had given valid points in the group. It is not that we are the only one who are going to narrate. Okay, if the group nominates you, it's good, you can speak. So this is my experience of the screening, and when the result came, I got screened in. So friends, basic thing is that we have to be very normal, we have to write normal and genuine stories, we have to be very calm and composed while writing these stories, and we have to add certain actions which are genuine in nature and which are feasible enough. Okay, so this is the point. And in the group discussion, don't make fish market, be very relaxed and calm, make a habit of listening to others, because listening is very important. Till the time you will be in habit of only speaking, you are not going to listen others properly. So try to listen and add good and important points which are valuable in making a common story. This is all about screening. And there is one more test which is known as OER test. It is quite easy. You can find videos on YouTube and you can see them. Okay, so this is my experience. Thank you. I will be uploading other videos regarding the other events in the SSB process. Thank you, gentlemen, and please support this channel. Thank you.